What is an Ethernet hub? What is an Ethernet hub? An Ethernet hub is a network hardware device for connecting multiple Ethernet devices together and making them act as a single network segment. Hub has multiple input-output ports, in which a signal introduced at the input of any port appears at the output of every port except the original incoming. A hub works at the physical layer 1 of the ISO model. A repeater hub also participates in collision detection, forwarding a jump signal to all ports if it detects a collision. In addition to standard 8P 8C ports, some hubs may also come with a BNC, Bayonet Neill Concelman, or an attachment unit interface AUI connector to allow connections to legacy 10-base-2 or 10-base-5 network segments. Original Ethernet hubs offered only 10 Mbps rated speeds. Newer types of hubs added 100 Mbps support and usually offered both 10 Mbps and 100 Mbps. Three basic types of hubs exist: passive, active, and intelligent. Passive hubs do not amplify the electric signal of incoming packets before broadcasting them out to the network. Active hubs, on the other hand, do perform this amplification, as does a different type of dedicated network device called a repeater. Intelligent hubs add extra features to an active hub that are of particular importance to businesses. An intelligent hub typically is stackable. Intelligent Ethernet hubs also typically include remote management capabilities via SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol, and Virtual LAN support, VLAN.